So hi guys, it's me again, Ruth Kim, and as you can see from the title guys, today it's going to be a bathroom makeover. I know you all know by now that we moved into a new apartment and we are trying to make this place feels like home kidogo kidogo. As you can see here, I'm already in the bathroom taking a clip for you guys. This is our bath area, our bathroom inside the bath cabin, and we love the tiles and everything. Maybe they don't look so good here on the picture, but they are top, and we love the designer mint gray and brown stuff. And I find it hard to see. As you can see, this is the floor. We have a few carpets here and there. Too much. I feel like it's too much. I feel like this bathroom is just too busy. A lot going on everywhere. And one thing that I'm going to do today is declutter all this stuff to make it less busy and more comfortable. A lot of stuff that are not supposed to be here, so we are going to take all that out. And Eliana is a big girl by now, so she's going to start sitting on the toilet like the others. Yes, this is our toilet area. So as you can see guys, here is the wall above the tiles. It's white but very dull. I feel like it's creamish, and as you can see there's a corner where it needs fixing. Like I feel like we need to fix this before it's too late. And this is what my husband and our friend Brendan are going to be doing. Here are the lights. This is how they look like now, but we are going to change that as well. This is the area where we put our towels. And yes, so guys, basically the first thing that we are going to do is going to change this area and paint it like white. I'm just going to clear this space so that they can be able to clean later. Everyday promise will never change. So are you gonna love me? Love me with my flaws and all. So as you can see guys, now I've cleared most of the things here in the bathroom, and I hate these like mirror. I know it has a lot of lights, but I feel like it's old, you know. This is day one guys. Brendan and Kevin have already started painting. I was not at home, so I didn't take a clip of them when they started painting. And as you can see, here is the difference. This is the white that we are painting, and that's the white that was there. You see guys, it looks like cream or brown. At least I got home early and you get to see the difference. Lakini hiyo difference mtu anaiona. Difference iko. So guys, as you can see, at this time they didn't know I had already ordered some lights from Amazon, and when I told them that I was going to change the lights, they decided to take that plate down a day after they started painting. And this is where you see that the plate where the other light was, or the lamp was, it still has that different color, or the old color. Now here guys, this is the light that I ordered from Amazon. Very affordable but looks very elegant. And Kevin is just taking a look at it because it's something that we ordered online to make sure everything is intact before they start mounting it and realize it's not okay. You know, things you buy from online, you have to send them back if they're defect or something. So this is what he's doing now. He's just controlling it. This is day 2 guys. They're basically applying a second coat of the paint because we felt like the other one was not like covering enough. So this is day 2, painting it all white. I hope you can see the difference guys, and covering the part that had that light plate as well. Just loving the way they're working. So as you can see guys, here I got busy on Amazon. I decided to change this mirror. So we are going to put something more modern, and this is why this one has to go down. I got a mirror from Amazon which is LED, and this is why they are taking this old ugly mirror down. Don't forget, this is a rental apartment, guys. So everything you take down, make sure you put it somewhere. You might end up mounting everything back when you're moving. So like this mirror, make sure if you end up renovating your apartment, make sure such things you put them somewhere safe, like Kela basement, so that when you're moving out of the apartment, you get to either mount them back or be lucky that you can leave your nice mirror behind. And this is the mirror, so they're just checking if it's going to fit or if everything is going to be okay. And this is the part that I can't just wait. I can't just wait to see the finished part. So this is the end product. They just fixed this beautiful LED mirror, and here is Kevin trying to show me how it operates, because it has that touch option where if you want it to get brighter, if you want the daylight light, or if you want the yellow light, you know. Yes, I feel like it looks more classy. Like, compare the two mirrors, the one that was there and this one. I feel this one like it's giving me that elegant vibe. As you can see guys, here we have like 2 holes each side from the old mirror, the way it was mounted. We are not going to like put everything and cover it up. I'm going to get maybe something decorative to cover the holes, because we don't know if you're going to need the same holes to mount back the mirror a few years while moving out. So later that day, Brendan decided to like mount the new lights. And I can't just wait. This is one of the parts that I was like, woohoo, you know. When you think about the finished product, you're like, oh my god, this is going to be so fine, yeah? So fine, baby. Yes, and I just love the way these two work together. How we work Shikana. They don't just, they work together and do good things together. Yes. Because it was getting late, they had to stop at this point, but wait, you just can't wait to see the end product. Yes. So hi guys, it's me again. We are still on the bathroom, and all the hard parts are almost done, like painting, changing the mirrors, changing the lamps. It's almost done, or the hardest part is finished. So I'm just going to clean the bathroom up before I start decorating. Yes. So I'll start by emptying this space. As you can see, we still have some stuff on it. These are some of the stuff that we are currently using. I'll empty is. And apropos guys, by the way, the bathroom didn't come with these under sink cabinets. We bought them from Amazon. So as you can see here guys, I told you I was getting busy on Amazon, like buying some stuff. You saw earlier in the bathroom that my bathroom is actually so busy, like that, a lot of soaps. As you can see guys, these are some of the bottles that I emptied. I bought the 4 of them from Amazon. I have, this one is my shower gel, this one is Kevin shower gel, shampoo, conditioner, and this one is for the kids, and this is the intim shower gel. This is this one. So I was thinking, I put the kids shampoo in this bottle here, but I'm still thinking if I put it in the same bottle, then I might be mixing it up. So, but I ordered some labels. When they come, maybe I can put it here, but as for now, it's going to stay in the original bottle. I got this beautiful mat from Amazon as well, because as you can see, until today we don't have that anti-slide, anti-rouge mat. This is very dangerous, by the way, especially if you have kids. I got it from Amazon. As you can see, we are almost finished, and Kevin is doing the final touches on the lights. And here is the thing, we have two different type of lights, and I want you guys to put it down on the comment section which light is your favorite, the white light or this other bulb.